Perimeter and area. What is perimeter? The perimeter of a figure is the distance around it. Or in other words, we can say that perimeter is the length of the boundary. Now, there are two formulas to find a perimeter for square and perimeter for rectangle. Perimeter of a square is equal to 4 into side, as square has only side. So 4 into side. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 is multiplied length plus breadth. We can also write it as 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. Now, what is area? The area of a figure is the amount of space taken up by the figure. As you can see, this is a triangle. The shaded part is considered as area of the given figure. Now, what is the unit of perimeter? The unit of perimeter is, for example, if the side is 4 centimeter, then the unit of perimeter is centimeter. Now, what is the unit of a area? The unit of a area is unit square. Now, let us perform one activity. As you can see, I have drawn a rectangle. Here, the length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. Now, how we can find the perimeter of this figure A? As we know that the perimeter is the length of the boundary. So, there are two ways. Either we can add all the boundary or we can apply the formula of a rectangle. Now, if we add all the boundary, then 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, 11 plus 3 is 14. So, the perimeter of the given figure is 14 centimeter. Now, if we apply the formula, so perimeter of figure A is equal to 2 into length is 4 centimeter, breadth is 3 centimeter. So 2 into 7. Bracket means multiplication. So the perimeter is 14 centimeter. Now, if we want to find the perimeter of figure B, here there is no formula, so we can only add the boundary. So 2 plus 1 is 3, again 2, 5, 6 plus 4 is 10, 11, 12. So what is the perimeter of figure B? 12. Now, if you will see, figure C is the curve in shape. So, to find the perimeter of figure C, we can take a string. Now, as we know that perimeter is the boundary of the length of the boundary. So, we can measure by putting string on the boundary, and then, so this is the perimeter of the figure C. So, we have measured the boundary using string. Now, we can measure it with the scale. So, what is the perimeter of this given string, given figure? 15 centimeter. Now, let us perform another activity. What is area? As we know that the area of a figure is the amount of space taken up by the figure. So, as you can see, the colored area, yellow colored area is the area. The green color is the area of figure Q. Yellow color is the area of figure R. So, how we can find the area? Since this is a square grid and each square is 1 centimeter. So, how we can calculate the given area of figure P? We just count the total grid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, what is the area? 4 unit square. Now, let us see figure Q. As we can see, these 4 are square grid which is completely filled, but this square grid are half. So, we can consider 2 half square grid as 1. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, its area is 6 unit square. Now, let us find the area of figure R. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and half of the square grid, two half of the square grid can be considered as one square, one complete square. As you can see, this is half and this is half. So two half of the square grid can be considered as one full square grid. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this way, we can find the area of the given figure. Now let us perform another activity. How to find the area of irregular figure? Now there are two rules. First of all, you have to count the complete square, and more than half and half of the square can be considered as one complete square, and less than half of the square is not considered in the area. Here we cannot find the exact area, so we can find the estimated area. Now let us count first the complete square. 1, 2, 3. So total complete square is 3. Now let us count half of the square grid and more than half. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the estimated area? 8 unit square. Now again, in this second figure, you can count the complete square first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let us count half of the square grid and more than half. As we know that less than half of the square grid cannot be considered. So now 6, 7, 8, 9. So what is the total area? 9 units square. In this way, we can find the area of an irregular figure. Thank you.